Hey friends, we have some very exciting news taking place here at Red River Outpost. In February of 2026, we begin our Commit training program. Now, what is Commit? City, Outpost, Missional, Medical, Industrial Training. Now let's find out some of the things that we'll be learning at our Commit program.
We do hydrotherapy, natural remedies, and lifestyle coaching.
We grow end time and market gardening.
We teach construction.
We learn to study the Word and lead Bible studies.
We teach plant-based nutrition.
We share the message through media evangelism.
We believe in the importance of personal devotion.
Good, harmony.
We also do city and mission evangelism.
We're training to reveal Christ's healing love in every community.
Come to Commit. Come and see. Go and be.
Daily worship, garden hour, outreach, real projects, missional year with a mission trip, mentorship and leadership, and also internships. Apply now at redriveroutpost.org/training. There are only 12 spots available.